He is known as the Engine. And when you see ARIC Burks in action, you'll quickly understand why. ARIC Burks is a 6'2", 240-pound defensive end, class of 2013 for 5A Arizona powerhouse Desert Vista Thunder. Burks dominated the gridiron in 2011. He's a dedicated student athlete who knows the expectations required to achieve success at the next level.
You have to pay attention and be a student of the game. You have to eat, you have to sleep, you have to get the grades. It's a student athlete, because without the grades there's no scholarship. The colleges won't even look at you. You always have to work hard, give 100% all the time, do extra stuff, like doing push-ups at night or doing squats at night, or getting that extra rest while everyone else is out partying.
That on-field dedication paid off for Burks at the Schumann Underclass Combine in Los Angeles. Not only did he place first amongst defensive linemen, but he was ranked the #1 overall lineman in the Combine.
I just love playing football, hitting people, and also bonding with the team, making new friends and going deep in relationships that otherwise, besides football, you may not have known them.
ARIC comes from a family of great football players. His twin older brothers, Aaron and Adrian, both played at Desert Vista. Both brothers were granted full football scholarships to attend Indiana University. ARIC aspires to follow his brother's footsteps with a strong desire to play at the next level.
It's just like time management. You just gotta, work hard in football, and then when you get home, you gotta eat, and then you gotta get on the homework, because grades are really, really important. All D1 schools and all schools in general look at grades first.
Burks' performance in Los Angeles has captured a lot of attention nationwide. He has been chosen to participate in the NUC Ultimate 100 Camp at the University of Oklahoma. ARIC's team is considered one of the favorites to win state in 2011. If the engine gets started and revs up early, the Thunder might be hoisting a state championship trophy in late November. Reporting for APN Sports, I'm Jeff Lowry. Corona with the football, working from their own 20, pitch out, running right. Burks gets in the backfield, and down he goes. A phenomenal defensive play by ARIC Burks. Corona working on 3rd down and 9 as one man goes in motion. Here's the quarterback in trouble, and ARIC Burks has a quarterback sack. Tex to the air, and that ball batted up into the air. That was ARIC Burks, the defensive end, and he intercepts the ball, and Desert Vista has it. So Basha is backed up, working from their own 2-yard line. Here's the blitz coming, and the ball's intercepted by Burks, and the Desert Vista puts 6 on the board. How about that?